Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will review Garmin Striker Vivid 7CB. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7CB is a 7-inch color fish finder that offers strong sonar performance with both strip traditional and clear view scanning sonar, thanks to the included G20TM transducer. It features built-in GPS for making waypoints and tracking routers, plus quick draw counters for creating custom maps. The Wi-Fi connectivity adds convenience via the Active Captain app, allowing for software updates and smart notifications. While the screen is clear, some may find 7 inches too small and lack a touch screen interface. Setup is easy. Sonar clarity is excellent and is competitively priced compared to premium models. Final verdict. If you want advanced sonar and mapping tools without breaking the bank, the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV is a reliable feature-rich choice for serious and recreational angler lag. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.